Hi guys, I think every developer was thinking about how to make NPCs for game. If you was thinking about this too, well, this video for you. Cause in this video you will see how to make basic NPCs that can move and speak using NowMesh, simple NPC skin variants, and how to make a smarter NPC and what is behavioral tree. So hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. We starting right now. Today in Unity all NPCs using navigation mesh or NowMesh. It's a simple instrument that helps you to make a path for NPC. To download it you must go Window, then Package, click Unity Register and find AI Navigation. Click Install. To use it you must add navigation mesh window. Now add 3D object for NPC. Add NavMesh agent component to it. And now you must set up your NPC, what is his haste, weight, speed and other stat. If you don't know anything, just don't touch it. Also add some other components like NVIDIA. That must be collider and rigid body if I don't forget anything. Now we must do something with scripts and we must decide what will be NPC doing. So first of all your NPC must have array of waypoints. Waypoints can be anything game object, so it's array of game objects. Also you can add array for wait time for every waypoint. And if you want you can add some more things for every waypoint like phrase switch NPC will be saying or array of animations. So also you must have NavMesh agent, 2 bools for checking, 2 integers for NPC ID and for coded waypoint number, and now we're ready to do the most simple part. In general NPC must go to the first waypoint, then wait some time and go. So in start we get our agent component and in the update we check and set the first destination. After we set bool waiting to false, when NPC reaches the waypoint we check in on trigger enter and we get the waypoint script and check everything and change the bool. Now in update we must check if every bool is false and we must start waiting method, and here are 2 variants. I have scripts where NPC waiting until somehow, then I enter and then go. But you can use a simple variant, where in a rate of wait time, you have wait time in seconds and we start our counting wait, where we check and just do like in the video. So all in all we wait and then set next destination. Looks simple and it is. So if we connect all we'll have something like this. Array of waypoints and wait time, current waypoint number, NavMesh agent and boost to check if we reach the waypoint and can we move to next. Also we have method for setting destination, we have onTrigger enter and wait method. Also don't forget to make a script of waypoint and if we check in scene, everything work. So now we can do a dialog system. Create a new script for dialog, which we use for player, and also add bools is player closed and array of text to NPC script. Now we need onTrigger enter, where we check if we enter the NPC talk radius. Then we get NPC script and in update we need to check if NPC not null. And if player press some key, we checking if a player already talking. Don't forget to add bool. If player not talking, we need to stop NPC first and then we must active our UI with text and set the text. If player already talking, we do it opposite. Now we need add methods in NPC script. These 2 simple methods stop the movement and continue it. Also you can add methods in onTrigger enter in dialog script, and when player exit talk radius NPC continue walking. Now in scene with stop player, you must have simple movement script and add dialog script. Also don't forget other components like collider and rigid body. Also don't forget to make canvas with panel and text. And finally add a trigger collider to NPC. And now in scene if come to NPC, he will stop and say something. So another useful thing is easy NPC reductor from NPC variants. Maybe it can be unuseful for somebody, but I think there is nothing bad if you will know this. So all you need is your model with variants of hair, clothes and something else. Now you need to export your model in FBX and import it in Unity. It can be weird cause many of clothes and hair overlay, but it's okay. Now we need to make a small script for this. Make a script and name it like NPC variants. Open it and first things we will add is enums for every clothes or hair you have. Enums is very useful thing that can make a list of variants. So now we need to make enum for selected element of clothes and make an array of game objects for shirt, pants, hats and other. And the final thing we must make a method for enable the chosen variant. For every enum we just unenable all objects and then enable selected one. And we do this for every enum. In Reductor we set our game objects and if we play the scene all work. But if you want NPC become more smarter, have more functions, of course you should use behavior tree. Behavior tree is a structure for more complex behavior. So most behavior trees is like variant of act for NPC. We have root is an entrance for to tree. After we have selector, which is selecting what to do. Then we have sequence, which is performs in order the subnodes until one fail. As you can see, we have selector, which decides what to do. Then we have sequence, which do in order. Walk to door, then we have selector where first agent try to open door, then try to unlock and enter, or smash it. After agent enter a door and finally close the door. Same with the second selector. Also probably every node have decorator and condition. After done one way, behavior tree returns as result, success, failure or running. So of course it's a very small information about behavior tree, but I think for somebody who don't know anything, it's a big amount of information. So hope you like my video, you can like and subscribe, thanks for watching.